where the new brakes were installed. This flips right up, push the piston in right here, and we slide right back in. You got a little compression nut right here, that's them. The spring nut comes out, 14 millimeter, and another 14, and you got two 14 millimeters. Real fine thread, so be very careful when taking in and out. And no, I didn't put no anti-lock nut on it. You should when you take this stuff off.
Your service professional will tell you so.
Yeah, just in good piece and everything.
We just saved $600 with doing it ourselves.
Yep.
Yay! 31 for the front, 21 for the back to buy the new brakes. $200 an hour at the Kia dealership.
It's supposed to be torqued. That's torqued enough for me. I don't have a torque gauge, so we're doing old Craftsman style feely feel. I'm gonna check everything. And we have new brakes on an old motor.
Rotors are very expensive. We're all done for now.